Hi, fish! Ayan, meron akong alaga. Ang pangalan niya ay si Makalpi. Makalpi fish.
Ano yan?
Makalpi fish. So, we have
Ito pa isa.
small aquarium. So, ayan, dyan kami. Small fish.
Ang
Ito
laki.
naman yung betta fish.
Ang cute. Parang ano.
Betta fish.
Ang cute.
So, bukas, ano natin siya.
Eh,
Linisan.
ito isa. Ay. Ang cute.
Tago siya. Hindi magtago. Nagtago. Ayaw niya magpakita sa camera. Yung betta fish.
Tatapi. Ang cute guys. Parang ano. Ito pa eh.
Familiarize yourself with the different classifications of computers. So have your pen and paper handy and join me as we build your knowledge towards a better future, one skill at a time. Welcome to TLE9.
Ano kaya?
Go. Differentiate.
Entrepreneurs and entrepreneurship.
Supply.
Supply the word to make sentence and recognize personal and professional competencies and skills.
Gandang picture. Uwi na. So, uwi tayo ng fresh. Wala. So, maulan. Maraming tao.
Approaching EDSA station. Here the station. Here the station.
Napuno ng fog yung aking salamin. Hindi na ako makakita.
Natulad na rin ng konti.